Dear students, today in this session we are going to start the topic how to solve the numerical problem of volumetric analysis. We solve the numerical problems of this chapter using the concept of law of equivalence, that is gram equivalent weight. The mole concept can also be used to solve the numerical problem of this chapter, but I want to teach you this technique, which is very simple and easy way to solve the numerical problems of this chapter. So students, let's start the session. We have simple technique to solve the numerical problem of this chapter, and all you have to know the concept of law of equivalence. Law of equivalence states that when reaction is theoretically completed, the gram equivalent weight of reactants are equal. For example, A reacts with B to give products. The number of gram equivalent weight of A is equal to number of gram equivalent weight of B for complete reaction. That is, number of gram equivalent weight of A equals to number of gram equivalent weight of B for complete reaction. If the weight of substance is given, then number of gram equivalent weight of substance can be calculated by the formula NE equals to W by E, where W is weight of substance in gram and capital E is equivalent weight of that substance. If the substance is in solution, then number of gram equivalent weight can be calculated by NE equals to N into V, where N is normality of the solution of that substance and V is volume of solution in liter. So by knowing these formulae, we can calculate most of the problems related to this topic. Here we have question which was asked in 2058 BS of NEB examination. Here we see X gram of calcium carbonate reacts completely with 20 ml of 1 molar HCl. Calculate the value of X. Here X is weight of calcium carbonate. So for calcium carbonate, W equals to what? That is X according to question. And for HCl, here normality is given 1, because for HCl molarity and normality is 1. Its basicity is 1, and we have formula normality equals to molarity into Z. From this formula, it is clear that normality is equal to molarity for HCl. So here volume of HCl given is 20 ml. So when calcium carbonate reacts completely with HCl, so according to law of equivalence, the number of gram equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is always equal to number of gram equivalent weight of HCl. Here the weight of calcium carbonate is given, so we can use the formula W by E to calculate the number of gram equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. So W by E of calcium carbonate is equal to normality into volume. As we already discussed, for solution you can use this formula, normality into volume of HCl. Here volume of solution is in liter, so put the value. W is here X. Equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is 50. You can calculate the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. E equals to molecular weight divided by Z. Z is also known as valence factor. Molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100. The valence factor of calcium carbonate is 2. Or you can also say like this: charge of cation or charge of anion. Here charge of cation is 2, or you can see the charge of anion 2. So put the value 2. Okay, so 50 is the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate, equals to, and normality given is 1 into volume 20 ml, and volume must be in liter. So to convert the ml into liter, we have to divide by 1000. So after calculation we get answer 1 gram. This can also be solved in the similar way. Here sulfuric acid and here is sodium carbonate. The given value of sulfuric acid, let's see, 20 ml volume, 0.265 gram sodium carbonate. Calculate the normality of acid. What? Equivalent weight can be calculated by molecular weight. 106 divided by valence factor of sodium carbonate is 2. 53 equivalent weight of sodium carbonate. So use the formula. Number of gram equivalent weight of sulfuric acid equals to number of gram equivalent weight of sodium carbonate for complete reaction according to law of equivalence. Therefore, put the value. N into V of sulfuric acid equals to W by E of sodium carbonate. And what? And volume 20. Volume must be in liter, so divided by 1000 here, equals to W 0.265 gram, and the equivalent weight is 53. So after calculation we get the answer N equals to 0.25 normal solution. Similarly, here we have another question. Here magnesium is given and acid is given. Here we have to find the x gram of magnesium, that is weight of magnesium is x gram, that we have to find according to question. Here the volume of acid is given 20 ml, V equals to 20 ml, and the normality is, if there is written N, it means it is 1N. This is called normal solution, and this F is called normality factor. So normality and factor can be multiplied to get the actual concentration of acid. So actual concentration of acid is 0.95 normality. Therefore, use the formula. W by E of magnesium is equal to N into V of normality into volume of acid for complete reaction. So W here X. Equivalent weight of magnesium is 12, because equivalent weight of element can be calculated by E equals to atomic weight by valency. Atomic weight of magnesium is 24 and valency is 2. Equivalent weight of magnesium is 12. Put this value here, equals to normality is 0.95 into volume of solution in liter is 20 divided by 1000, and get the value of X. Here another one. 1 gram of NaOH is added to 2 liter of X molar sulfuric acid solution, so that the pH of resulting solution is 7. Find the value of X. Here given value of NaOH, W is 1 gram, and for H2SO4 2 liter is volume, V equals to 2 liters, and we have to find the molarity, X equals to what? So for NaOH, equivalent weight is molecular weight 40 divided by valence factor, or we can say acidity, which is 1, equals to 40. Here NaOH completely reacts with H2SO4 solution, because the pH of resulting solution is 7. It means that the number of gram equivalent weight of NaOH is equal to number of gram equivalent weight of sulfuric acid, because for complete reaction between strong acid and strong base, the pH of resulting solution is always 7. So this is for complete reaction. Okay, put the value W by E for NaOH and N into V for sulfuric acid. Here W is 1, equivalent weight 40, normality for sulfuric acid. If X is the molarity, then what will be the normality? M into Z. M is X, Z balance factor, or it is basicity for acid. Here basicity for sulfuric acid is 2. So we can write here in place of normality as 2x into volume of solution in liter is 2. Therefore x equals to 1 divided by 160. So x is the molarity. Okay, let's solve another question. 0.315 gram of dibasic acid required 50 ml of DC normal solution of NaOH for complete neutralization. Find the molecular mass of the acid. Given acid is dibasic, NaOH, the concentration of NaOH is DC normal, N equals to 0.1 and normality is DC normal, volume is 50 ml, acid is dibasic acid, W of dibasic acid is 0.315 gram. We have to find the molecular mass or molecular weight of acid. First of all, you have to find the equivalent weight, then you can find the molecular weight. So use the formula W by E of acid equals to N into V of NaOH base for complete reaction. So put the value 0.315 divided by equivalent weight equals to normality is DC normal 0.1, volume of solution in liter 50 by 1000. So equivalent weight E equals to 0.315 into 1000 divided 0.1 into 50. Okay, after calculation we get 63. Equivalent weight of acid is 63. Since the acid is dibasic, therefore molecular weight of acid equals to equivalent weight into basicity, that is 63 into 2, 126 AMU. Here we have similar type of question. Reacts with, we have to use W by E, and for HCl we have to use N into V. So W by E equals to N into V. So 5 by E equals to, normality is 2, of HCl solution is 50 ml, that means divided by 1000. Therefore E equals to 5 into 1000 divide 2 into 50, 10, 50 is the equivalent weight. Therefore molecular weight, equivalent weight into acidity for base is 50 into diacetic acid. So we have to put Z equals to 2. So answer is 100 AMU. Here we have another type of question. 0.715 gram of sodium carbonate XH2O. Here X is the water of crystallization. Required 20 ml of semi-normal hydrochloric acid solution for complete neutralization. Find the value of X. So use the same formula, W by E equals to N into V. So for sodium carbonate XH2O, here W equals to 0.715 gram, and find the equivalent weight. equivalent weight is molecular weight divided by balance factor. Here balance factor of sodium carbonate is 2. So first of all, find out the molecular weight of sodium carbonate with water crystallization. Okay, so here the molecular weight of sodium carbonate is 106 plus, and the molecular weight of water is 18. For x molecules of water, the value will be 18x divided by, since the valence factor of sodium carbonate is 2, so we have to divide it by 2. For HCl, normality is semi-normal, means 0.5 N, and the volume is 20 ml. So use the formula W by E of sodium carbonate is N into V of HCl. So here W is 0.715 gram and equivalent weight is in the form of X. So 106 plus 18x divided by 2 equals normality 0.5 into volume is 20 divided by 1000. So X is nearly equal to 2. Okay, another one. Here HCl and NaOH are reacting. For HCl, B1 equals to what? N1 equals to 0.1 because it is normal. B2 is 25 ml NaOH, and N2, here N2 is not given, but gram per liter can be expressed in normality, and we have formula normality equals to gram per liter divided by equivalent weight. So gram per liter is 8 and the equivalent weight of NaOH is 40, that is 0.2 normality. So for complete reaction, number of gram equivalent weight of HCl equals to number of gram equivalent weight of NaOH, that is N1 V1 of HCl equals to N2 V2 of NaOH, and this equation is also called normality equation. Substituting the value, 0.1 into V1 equals to N2 is 0.2 and V2 is 25. Here it is not necessary to convert ml into liter because here both are expressed in same unit. Here, what volume of solution of conc HCl? P1 equals to what? Containing 38% of HCl by mass having specific gravity 1.19. So from these values we can calculate the normality of conc HCl. So we have formula normality equals to percentage W by W. 38% HCl by mass is the percentage W by W into specific gravity into 10 divided by equivalent weight. We have already discussed about the derivation of this equation in previous video. So substituting the values, we get here 38 into specific gravity is 1.19 into 10 by equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of HCl is 36.5. So after calculation, the normality will be 12.39. So we are converting this percentage into normality. So for NaOH is required to neutralize 1 liter. So V1 is 1 liter of 0.1 m NaOH. So in case of NaOH, molarity and normality are same. So V2 equals to 1 liter, and for NaOH molarity and normality are same because its acidity is 1. So normality N2 equals to 0.1. So for complete reaction, number of gram equivalent weight of HCl equals to number of gram equivalent weight of NaOH. So for HCl we can put N1 V1, and for NaOH we can write N2 V2, and this equation is also called normality equation. So here N1 is 12.39, V1 we have to calculate, and N2 is 0.1, V2 is 1. Therefore V1 equals to, here, what volume of 5% NaOH are required to neutralize 2 liters of DC normal sulfuric acid? So here NaOH, here the volume of NaOH is to be calculated. Here volume of NaOH is asked. So V1 equals to what? And we can convert this 5% into normality. This 5% is percentage W by V. So normality equals to percentage W by V into 10 divided by equivalent weight. We have this formula to convert percentage W by V into normality. So 5 into 10 divided by, and the equivalent weight of NaOH is 40. 50 by 40 is 1.25 normality. And here required to neutralize 2 liter of DC normal sulfuric acid. So V2 is 2 liters and N2 is DC normal, means 0.1 normality. So here we can use N1 V1 equals to N2 V2 that we have used before. So putting the values, N1 1.25 into V1 equals to N2 is 0.1, V2 2. Therefore V1 equals to 0.16 liter, that is 160 ml. How many moles of H2SO4 are required to neutralize 4 liter of NaOH? First of all, find the number of gram equivalent weight of NaOH. 2 into 4, 8 gram equivalent weight of NaOH. So this must be equal to number of gram equivalent weight of sulfuric acid. So number of gram equivalent weight of sulfuric acid must be 8 according to law of equivalence. So 8 gram equivalent weight of sulfuric acid is required. So convert this 8 gram equivalent weight into gram. Number of gram equivalent weight can be calculated by weight in gram divided by equivalent weight. So by multiplying number of gram equivalent weight with equivalent weight, we can calculate the weight of substance in gram. So number of gram equivalent weight is 8 and equivalent weight of sulfuric acid is 49. So 8 into 49 gram sulfuric acid is required, and we can convert this gram into number of moles of H2SO4 equals to 8 into 49 divided by 98, because number of moles of sulfuric acid can be calculated by weight in gram divided by molecular weight. Its molecular weight is 98, so answer is 4 moles. This can also be calculated by mole concept. Let's see another question. What mass of 90% pure calcium carbonate is required to neutralize 2 liter decinormal solution of HCl? First of all, find out the number of gram equivalent weight of HCl, N into V. Decinormal solution 0.1, volume 2 liter, so 0.2 gram equivalent weight of HCl. So this must be equal to number of gram equivalent weight of calcium carbonate, 0.2 gram equivalent weight. Okay, because for complete reaction number of gram equivalent weights are always same. So we can use the formula of number of gram equivalent weight of calcium carbonate as W by E. Calcium carbonate, here find the value of W. So W, equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is 50 equals to 0.2. So W equals to 10 gram. Let the weight of calcium carbonate is X gram. Therefore, according to question, the calcium carbonate is only 90% pure. So 90% pure is 10 gram. So 90% of pure calcium carbonate is 10 gram. Here we suppose the weight of calcium carbonate is X. Therefore 90% of X equals to 10. X equals to 10 by 0.9, 11.11 gram.